Keep your home cool and comfortable with the KeepRite N4A5S Performance 15 Central Air Conditioner from TopCare HVAC of Oakville. Designed for reliable, everyday cooling, this system features a single-stage compressor that delivers dependable performance throughout the summer. Its single-speed fan motor provides steady airflow for consistent indoor comfort. Built with a tight wire grille and protective corner posts, the N4A5S is designed to withstand harsh weather and outdoor debris. With corrosion-resistant construction for long-lasting durability, this system is built to provide years of dependable cooling. Contact TopCare HVAC today for professional installation and expert service.